How to access Marketplace on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Facebook application from your device and get logged into your Facebook account. In order to access your Marketplace, you will be able to see this icon, which is also called Marketplace. Tap onto it. If you cannot see this option here, tap on three bar icon. And once you're on the menu page, tap on to see more. Then you will see the option of Marketplace. Again, if you cannot access your Marketplace from your menu page, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on to Settings. Here, scroll below. Under Preferences, you will see Tab Bar option. Tap onto it. Then tap on Customize the bar. Then you will see shortcut of Marketplace. As you can see that mine is pinned. You might have it on Hide or Auto. Make sure that you put it on Pin. And just like so, this Marketplace option will be visible in your menu page, just like this. And that is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If you had found this to be helpful, then do like and subscribe.